You had the whole day. You made the plan. You told yourself, today is different, but somehow, without even deciding to, the hours disappeared, and now it's late, and that feeling is back again. Not just disappointment, something heavier. That quiet shame of watching yourself not do the thing you promised you would. And the worst part? It keeps happening. Here's what nobody tells you. You're probably trying harder than most people around you, but before your eyes even fully open in the morning, your hand is already reaching for your phone. No decision, no thought, just habit. Unlock, scroll, scroll again. And just like that, your brain is gone before your day even starts. Then you sit down to do something real. Study, create, build. The room gets quiet, too quiet. You open the laptop. The cursor blinks once, twice. You tell yourself, just start. But suddenly, you're not there anymore. Phone in hand again. No decision, no awareness, just escape. Your brain runs on dopamine. And dopamine is not about pleasure. It's about wanting. Every app on your phone is engineered for one thing, to trigger that chemical as fast and as often as possible. So by the time you sit down for real work, your brain is already full. And real life feels slow, heavy, unrewarding. That's when people make the mistake. I just need motivation. I need to feel ready. Maybe tomorrow I'll start fresh. Sunday night feels powerful. Plans are made. Identity feels different. But Monday arrives. And by Wednesday, you're back where you started. Motivation is an emotion, and emotions don't stay. The people who change their lives don't wait to feel ready. They act anyway, because discipline isn't a personality trait, it's repetition. But here's the deeper problem. At some point, this stopped being about bad days. It became a story. You stopped saying, I had a lazy day. You started saying, I am lazy. And once that belief settles in, your brain starts proving it right. Not because it's true, but because it's familiar. You don't act based on what you want, you act based on who you believe you are. And there's something even deeper. Your brain has one job above everything else: keep you safe. But today, danger is not a predator. It's a blank page, an unanswered email, the possibility of failure. Your nervous system cannot tell the difference, so it escapes every single time. Procrastination was never laziness, it was protection. So what actually works? First, remove the noise. Delete or hide the apps that steal your attention. Create at least 1 hour a day with no stimulation. It will feel uncomfortable. That discomfort is not failure. That is your brain recalibrating. Second, stop chasing intensity, not 6 hours on day one. Start with 25 minutes, then stop. Repeat tomorrow. Because change is not built in moments. It is built in repetition. Third, act before you feel ready. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait to become disciplined. Do the action first. The feeling will follow later. Your future is not built in bursts of inspiration. It is built in what you repeat when nobody is watching. You were never lazy. You were overstimulated, trapped in a loop of distraction and identity, and running a brain that is simply trying to protect you. That's not a flaw, that's a system. And once you see the system clearly, you stop fighting yourself. You start changing it, because the version of you that focuses, that builds, that follows through, is not missing. It's just buried under noise, and it is closer than you think. A year from now, you will either be living the life you imagine today, or still waiting for the perfect moment to start. The difference between those two futures. What you do after this video, if this hits something real, subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what are you changing starting today?